colleagues, and everyone present here, a very good morning to all of you. We are about to begin our much-awaited Millennium Medicos to mark the completion and the culmination of 5.5 years of study and internship that we have spent together. It is time to celebrate the completion of our MBBS course. The idea of Medicos is to get together, to relive our past, to celebrate our present, and to welcome our future. Now I would like to welcome our guests for the day, our respected principal, Professor Dipti Basu, a medical superintendent and vice principal, Honorable Dr. M. Mrityunjay Mukhopadhyay, we also have amongst us the Honorable Head of the Department of Gynecology and Obstetrics, Dr. S. Saha, Head of the Department of Microbiology, Dr. Shah Alam, Head of the Department of Pathology, Dr. N. Chaudhary. Now I'd like to welcome our guests, our principal madam and our medical superintendent vice principal on the stage. Now I'd like to request our President, Dr. Rajmohan Ghosh and Dr. Kaushik Chakraborty
as we all walk through the hurdle of medical entrance to secure a position for us in the medical fraternity, our fortune brought us to the Calcutta National Medical College. And in these long 5.5 years, even without losing our individual identity, we have become a part of a group of 124 young medicos. Today we are at such a juncture of time when we are all set to warm up for our future professional life, but at the same time our hearts are heavy as we realize that our parting time has come. Each one of us will have lots to recollect, some moments of joy, emotion and even sorrow. And these are during these 5.5 years of togetherness. Our Medicos is organized to celebrate these moments of togetherness. Thank you.
Now I'd request our principal madam to inaugurate the ceremony by lighting a lamp.
অবশেষে পথের শেষে আলোর সন্ধান। এ সন্ধান আনন্দের এবং হয়তো দুঃখেরও। 5 বছরের খেলাঘর ভেঙে আবার অনিশ্চয়তার পথে যাত্রা। সেই যাত্রারই পাথেয় হোক আমাদের পরবর্তী এই গান।
Now I'd like to welcome our principal madam to please address the gathering.
সুপ্রভাত। এখানে উপস্থিত আমাদের শিক্ষকবৃন্দ, অন্যান্য সুধীবৃন্দ আর আমার অতি আদরের ছেলেমেয়েরা, অনেকদিন পার করে তোমরা আজকে মেডিকোজ মিলেনিয়াম মেডিকোজে সকলে এসেছো। তোমাদের সকলকে আমি স্বাগত জানাই। তোমাদের এই 4.5 বছরের দীর্ঘ প্রতীক্ষা, ইউনিভার্সিটি পরীক্ষা, তারপরে 1টা বছর ইন্টার্নশিপের হাতে কলমে কাজ শিখে আজকে তোমরা পুরোপুরি ডাক্তার হয়ে সমাজের বুকে এগিয়ে চলেছ কাজ করার জন্য। তোমাদের সামনে বিরাট একটা ভবিষ্যৎ যেখানে তোমরা আরো এগিয়ে যাবে, পোস্ট গ্রাজুয়েট পড়াশোনা করবে, কেউ কেউ গবেষণা করবে, কেউ কেউ শিক্ষাব্রতীতেও চলে যাবে। তবে সবচাইতে বড় জিনিস যেটা, মানুষের মতো বড় হওয়া, মনুষ্যত্ববোধ জাগিয়ে সকলের মাঝে মানুষ হওয়া। তোমরা যারা যেখানে যাবে অনেক বড় হবে, তোমাদের সেই বড় হওয়ার আশা আমি রাখি এবং আমার মনে হয় আমার আগামী দিনে তোমাদের এই বড় হওয়াটাই আমার একটা সঞ্চয় হয়ে থাকবে। তোমাদের এই কটা দিনের অনুষ্ঠান সুন্দর হোক, ভালো হোক, তোমরা সকলে মিলে এই বিদায় বেলায় তোমরা সকলে যে যান আপন আপন জায়গায় হয়তো ফিরে যাবে, সকলে এখানে হয়তো হাউস টাউসিপ পাবে না, অনেকেই বাইরে চলে যেতে হবে। সুতরাং এই সময়ে আজকের এই কটা দিন তোমরা সুন্দরভাবে আনন্দ উপভোগ করো। তোমাদের চলার পথে আমার শুভেচ্ছা, ভালোবাসা, আশীর্বাদ, অভিনন্দন সবকিছু রইল। তোমরা অনেক বড় হও, ভগবানের কাছে এই আমার আবেদন জানিয়ে তোমাদের সকলকে শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আমি শেষ করি।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to request our medical superintendent cum vice principal, Dr. Mrityunjay Mukherjee, to please address the gathering.
Respected Principal Madam, respected officers and certain faculty departments who have arrived over here, and my beloved students. I find perhaps certain guests are there also who are guardians of our students, maybe. I welcome you all in this auspicious occasion of the Millennium Medicos, which is unique because this is not going to be repeated in near future. And perhaps we are pleased to be present over here on this dais. So I thank you very much for inviting us to be present, and it is my privilege to participate in this Medicos. Now a few words. When you are selected in this institution, perhaps some are very happy, perhaps a few are not that happy, but ultimately you have made it. You have made it 124 successful, bright faces I find before me, who are going to surely succeed in life, I am very sure, as has been the practice for all ex-NATmates. They are all successful practitioners everywhere, not only in this part of our country, but the rest of our country as also outside. Very, very successful persons have been produced by this institution, all through, and you will be no exceptions. Now we have gone through real sweats before being credited with this degree of MBBS at Dhaka University, and you will obviously try to maintain the standards of your performance, academic excellence, and your professional ability throughout your career. Now, some of you, as has been mentioned by our respected principal madam, some of you opt for teaching. You are welcome very much. Some will perform some research works, which is very, very desirable, from the highest category of merits as is possessed by you. And obviously some will go for medical practice, which is very much necessary for all categories of people for whom we have been meant. Our profession is really a noble profession, and you are entering this profession after finishing the basics of the medical teaching. You have been covered well, I am sure. Now on this occasion, I want to just mention that perhaps I could not devote a lot of time for you, your batch, because of my other preoccupations. I am sorry for that. But we will maintain our relationship throughout life till I live. And whenever you find any sort of assistance, help, or say suggestions, maybe discussions, it will be always an open discussion and never feel sort of a shyness to contact us. All of your teachers from this institution are really will be very, very happy to help you in that regard. So remember that throughout your life. So far as the patient parties are concerned, now we will find that the situation is really difficult and different to some extent. As a student, you are exposed to the patient parties, patients in one way, and now as a doctor, you will feel sometimes an inimical environment which you are entering into. This is because of the socio-economic changes that have happened in the recent past, the last few years, everywhere, in every sphere of life. And as an important part of the society, you will be no exception. So you have to adjust to that. I do not say that you should go down. No, keep your head straight, keep your spine straight, but at the same time you must feel that we have certain limitations, we have certain bindings, and you are dealing with the life of a patient. So patience from your side, devotion, sincerity, and discipline, these few things you must be practicing to be a successful man. And don't feel separated from the society. Never feel separated from the society. You are a very, very useful member of the society from now onwards. So mix with them freely and try to be one of them. What on earth? However successful you are, don't maintain any distance from your patient and the party and the other members of the society, and that will make you a successful one. And lastly, I will say that don't forget your family. I always tell that if you neglect your family, everything is gone. You may be professionally successful, but you will not be a successful man in your, or a human being in your career. So devote some time for them, and you should practice with all sorts of honor that you really have gathered throughout the career, and you will be going on gathering for the rest of your career. With my blessings, best wishes, and hoping for the success of this Medicos or Millennium Medicos, I again congratulate you. You are welcome to our profession, and with these few words, I say goodbye. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we are starting perhaps the most important part of our ceremony today. I request our principal ma'am and our vice principal sir to guide us in our oath taking. I request Alisha to please come up on stage.
I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration.
I would request our Honorable Head of the Department, Gynecology, Dr. S. Shah, to please come up on stage and address the gathering.
Papija, follow karo. Wake up.
Thank you, respected Madam Principal, MSBB, my colleagues, my friends and colleagues in the audience, and my beloved students. Naturally, today I came with an open mind. I am attending these medicals for the last consecutive 3.5 years almost. And today I came here with an open mind to learn. Every day I start my journey from my home to learn something. What to learn? Just I would send up the message to my students of the coming medicals. How the middle of the medicals they have signed and they have emerged out as 124 out of 124. Not at a time. There was 3 plugs during that time. 98% score was there and 3 students plugged and dead. And in the last medicals, I just pointed and highlighted that medicals should be one that should be 100% success at one time. The seed which were sown in this medical college in the soil in 2000 naturally should bloom and flower with fruits and everything with 100%, but the achievement was 98%. As because my desire has been fulfilled all the time, as because all the time we, along with the dignitaries in the dais and senior professors in the front bench, all the time has been called on the dais to sit at par with. Naturally, I came with open mind, I am totally satisfied, other may be disheartened, they don't take it otherwise. Naturally, learning is a process, learning is a craft, and I always give this learning craft aspiring and aspiring. When I came to this institution, I came to take up the challenge, how result would be 100% in Calcutta-based medical college. 100% result in Bankura Medical College is a physician's distress, is a teacher's distress. But 100% result in Calcutta Status Medical College is the distress of the students. They have to own. The students have been trained. They have not been trained in all the faculties and ways. Just yesterday, think of the situation. The coming batch is just going to appear for the next medicals are going to be prepared. They have one completion ending examination and they are scheduled to appear the examination this day. Naturally, I proposed that day and I took advance one day and I arrived here at just at 10 a.m. But it was totally disorganized. Then I asked myself, am I a fruitful teacher? I have been able to give my part of the education just to how to score marks, how to emerge out of the best. But I am a totally futile teacher. I have been failed to appreciate and to make disciplinary. It is not possible. Yes, it is possible. The other day, when the students came for the one completion examination, I tell that I have to face challenge inside intra-college, inter-college, and outside the university status all the time. That's because why the performance is so good now. Naturally, be at par with me, be tolerant with me, and try to think in that way. Naturally, you will be more better and you will perform best in the near future. With that idea, naturally I came at just at 10 a.m. sharp. The other year, again I came at 10 a.m. sharp. But delayed process is going on. Glamour is going on, increasing in a big level. And this medical building is worthy of building a medical, is no doubt. But you have to streamline in the other way. Naturally, you have to be a total man, as my colleague Dr. Mukherjee told, that you have out and emerged out as a total man in the society in all aspects. With that idea, you have to be there all the time and thinking. And how the secret of success being possible? As because in the first class, when we meet the first student and the third semester, I ask, who is great? Teacher or student? I always say, a student is always great. As because the teacher is always in the heart of the student. That is the logistic ground. Naturally, the students are always great. They have emerged out with 98% result. Then they have a lot of way. Naturally, to have post-graduation degree here and abroad and to face the challenge of the society as has been highlighted by MSBP. Naturally, they have to streamline and perfect and give adequate respect to the teachers and the seniors, and in otherwise they will face problem in the other way. This maximum scoring of the result is the achievement of the gynecology department I claim. I always take the marks in my favor. Students just run after me just like the Pied Piper in the city of the Hamlin. I say, if you know gynecology and obstetrics, you need not learn any other discipline, I challenge. Why? One of the interns is just sitting here in the second row and she is doing interns in my unit with result for these 4 or 5 days. I ask, what is the most? You are the best girl of that class. There are best girls like Thakur and others. They
there, but they have not been offered just honors in my other institutions too. Otherwise, I claim this year only honors students, 100% honors from this medical college 11 has achieved honors and the others is a nil. As because they should secure more and more out of jealousy they have suppressed. That is the situation. Naturally, this is the scenario, but this scenario will not proceed until and unless you develop other inner qualities. Naturally, you have to trace the source of the diseases. And naturally, that might be in turn told, sir, I prefer to be hematologist. Why you think so? Naturally, I attended the thalassemia seminar just 2 or 3 days before. Naturally, with that criticism, and I find that for the extension there is a BMPT and SMPs. Stem cell transfusion or stem cell transfusion and bone marrow transfusion. Now I will teach you gene therapy, genetic transmission through cloning, and the gynae department is the seed department. Naturally, you come in all accord, open heart in the gynae obstetrics department. We will learn everything. All super specialty originate from gynecological department. You think of a broad way. That is the first criteria to my students. In the second, when the students come, and we don't come with books, don't come, you know many things. It is my capacity to draw out what you know and what you do not know. With books you can learn anything. Without books you can learn many things. Then actually the students just novice after comes up physiology and anatomy comes to my department in the third semester. I can just write one recapitulation, what you have learned in the physiology and anatomy. And you say the length of the is 7.5 centimeter, but the final the student has forgotten. Even from the dais, they will not be able to tell the appropriate length of the uterus. But naturally, if you start and give them courage and just try to touch their heart at the bottom, how to think. Naturally, we started the students in a came so none has taught us how to learn, how to teach, and how to think. Naturally, train our students. Don't go with the books in terms of clinical features. You ask the patient of your own. What he is facing, try to make a copy of book of your own. Don't go through this red and green books and try to imagine yourself. You have done for the last 10 years. What is your performance? The history records what performance has been done by the gynecological students will never be achieved in future. I promise and I affirm that this is the situation. Naturally, I will send this message to the current medicals. Naturally, their performance is 98% and the first batch is 98.5%. And the coming batch, if you don't follow your senior brothers and sisters, again you come down to the bottom level. That is the miracle. Naturally, all the time you have to tune down. As Dr. Mukherjee said, you almost vibrate with the current status of the knowledge. And you will find when the knowledge is there, when the glory is there, when the sun shines, everything sometimes, you will not get candlelight, you just supervise the sun. You just think, National Medical College is passing through a transition phase, glamorous phase. Ever in this millennium, none of the institutions is facing this challenge. You just see, looking around, you will find everywhere there is a change. Look at the dais, it has been changed by virtue of the medical inspection MCI. That is the credibility goes to the administrator, both of them. We have far and solidified their hand by teaching the students, giving a good scoring of the result, and you spoke of family. This is the first institution that is the NCI challenge. Now we are facing the second lab for the MD inspection. Naturally, we will overcome and we will. But the students are the asset. But always remember, the students are in a glamorous condition, always in thinking, but every time there is possibility of derailment. Derailment is there from their original path. Naturally, there is problem in the clinical side, problem in the struggling side. Naturally, you find that among these new medicals, one intern came forward me, sir, tell me and suggest, I have qualified my MCI inspection. I am worthy of my heart that what I have spent among the interns they have calculated and they have qualified for the post-graduation. It is again an asset to me. Naturally, one thinking, but the students think of the other teachers in a rational way. I just told you this because I have come to open mind to learn. But senior teachers like Dr. Sawadala is sitting here, adorning the post of principal for many years. At least you should come to the dance. That is the idea. Now, naturally, again I bless you. Anytime you come forward to me, I can give any suggestion, whatever I have possessed, and I can just pull through you to the topmost of the honor of your career if you like so. Just before few minutes back, I have talked with Subir Banerjee, Professor and Head of the Medicine Department, and sometimes I don't get honor, sometimes I don't get any satisfaction or any praiseworthy word from my colleagues. Don't think of this. Naturally, I finish with this word. There is one language in Bengali, that is the Hoyatu. And each and everyone to learn what is Hoyatu. Go on giving. Don't try to gain and gain back anything. But you, the students, when you be the teachers and posters, naturally there is a give and take policy in the initial part, but naturally we have to start them. Thank you all. Naturally, I will send this message. This medicos is a unicorn medicos with the fault. I am the person who sees the right thing what I observe. Naturally, the last criteria of your progress of your millennium institution is that you will find in the madam there is a guidebook out of 10 institutions in the city, national in the second position, Apollo Glass, just madam showed me a few minutes ago. That Calcutta National in the second position and SSTM in the third position, that is the survey. Naturally, it is fine enough, national passing through a transition phase to try to highlight yourself, highlight your career, give respect to the parents, those parents or dignitaries present in the dais. Again, I honor them from my heartfelt side. I told all the time, things of your family, things of your parents, they will be all the right track and naturally make the society of your own. Thank you once more for having this dais.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the head of the department of microbiology, Dr. Shahadala, to please come up on stage and address the crowd.
Respected Principal Madam, MSVP, Medium Millennium Medicals, Shudhivendra, আজকে আমার ছাত্রছাত্রীরা তাদের 4.5 বছর ছাত্র জীবন এবং 1 বছর ইন্টার্ন জীবন কমপ্লিট করে তারা আজকে তাদের ডাক্তারি জীবনে প্রবেশ করছে, যেখানে আজকে তারা আমাদের ছাত্র নয়, তারা আমাদের কলিগ হয়ে যাচ্ছে আজকে থেকে। অতএব ছাত্র টিচার্স রিলেশন চিরদিনই থাকবে, কিন্তু ছাত্র যখন কলিগ হয় তখন খুব ভালো লাগে। আজকে সেই মুহূর্ত যেখানে তোমরা আজকে ছাত্র জীবন থেকে কলিগের লেভেলে আমাদের কাছে এসছো। অতএব আমি চাইব চিরকালই তোমরা ছাত্র হিসেবেই থাকো এবং সেই ছাত্ররাই সর্বস্তরে শিখরে আরোহণ করে রয়েছে, সেটাই দেখে টিচারদের সবচেয়ে আনন্দ হবে। আমি চাইব এই মিলেনিয়াম মেডিকোসের সবাই তোমরা সর্বস্তরে উচ্চশিখর উন্নয়ন লাভ করো এবং তোমাদের কাছে এই আশীর্বাদ রইল। আজকের পরে তোমরা সবাই নিজের নিজের জায়গা হয়তো চলে যাবে, কেউ এখানে হাউস স্টাফ পাবে, কেউ বসবেরির চান্স পাবে, কিন্তু প্রত্যেকের ভিতরে এই 5.5 বছরের যে মিষ্টিমধুর সম্পর্ক, এইটা চিরকাল মনে গেঁথে থাকবে। সেই জন্যই আজকে দিনটা মহান দিন সবার কাছে। এই বলে আমি সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি।
Thank you very much, sir. Now I have to announce a very unfortunate news. Our friend Nikhil Kumar Jain was injured 2 days back. He's most probably suffered from a supracondylar fracture of his right elbow, and he's going to be operated upon today. So may I please request our principal ma'am to guide the convocation of Priyanka Das and Himanshi Shekhar Majumdar, who are urgently required at the operation table. Dr. Himanshi Shekhar Majumdar. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to call upon the head of the department, pathology, Dr. M. Chaudhary, please come up on stage and address the gathering.
শ্রদ্ধেয় প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাডাম, শ্রদ্ধেয় এমএসভিপি মহাশয় এবং অন্যান্য বিভাগীয় প্রধান এবং আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আজকে এই মিলেনিয়াম মেডিকোস এই নামটা আমার ভারী সুন্দর লেগেছে। এখানে থাকতে পেরে নিজেকে খুব ভালো লাগছে। আর ছাত্রছাত্রীরা তোমরা আজকে জীবনের কর্মক্ষেত্রে প্রবেশ করছো, সেখানে তোমাদের যেন দিকে দিকে সাফল্য হোক, এটাই আমি চাই এবং তাতে আমরা সবাই খুব খুশি হব। কিন্তু সঙ্গে এইটুকুই ভয় হয় যেন তাড়াতাড়ি করে সব কিছু পেতে গিয়ে তোমরা যে মানুষের যে মানবিক গুণ কিছু আছে সেগুলো না হারিয়ে ফেলো। তোমাদের চতুর্দিকে নাম রাখো, যে যা করতে চাইছো সেটা যেন খুব ভালো করে করতে পারো, এই আশা নিয়ে আমি আজকে তোমাদের অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to invite Professor Pediatrics, Dr. M. Gupta. Please come up on stage and address the gathering.
Respected Principal Ma'am, respected MSPP staff, আমি একটু বাংলা ইংলিশ মিশিয়ে বলবো, আমার একটু একটা না মানতে হবে, একটা নাম ইংলিশ নাও হতে পারে, তোমরা রাগ করবে না। প্রথমেই তোমাদের অলরেডি স্যারেরা অনেক ভালো ভালো কথা আশীর্বাদ তোমাদের দিয়েছেন। আমি আর বেশিক্ষণ তোমাদের বোর করে তোমাদের ইয়েতে করতে চাই না, যেটা একটা দুটো ইম্পর্টেন্ট কথা বলে দিই। তোমরা এক্ষুনি হিপোক্রেটিস ওথটা পড়লে try to make it successful in life. When try to, it is just not reading the oath, you have to follow it in your life. আগে ভালো মানুষ হও, এবং ডাক্তার হওয়া মানে যেটা আমরা পেশেন্ট ডাক্তার রিলেশনশিপ এথিক্সটার দিকে খুব ভালো করে নজর দেবে, এটা আমরা প্রায় আজকাল ভুলে যাই। মনে রাখবে সবসময় কোনো পেশেন্টকে যখনই দেখছো, মনে রাখবে তোমার বাড়িতেও কিন্তু অসুস্থ একজন মানুষ যখন ডাক্তারের কাছে যাবে, তারা যে ব্যবহারটা তুমি এক্সপেক্ট করবে তার কাছ থেকে, তুমি নিজেও কিন্তু ডাক্তার হিসেবে সেটুকুই দেবে। তুমি মানে তার মধ্যে 16 আনা যেন থাকে, 1 আনাও কম না, 16 আনা এথিক্স আগে মেনটেন করবে পেশেন্টের প্রতি, পেশেন্টকে সবসময় প্রায়োরিটি দেবে এবং ডোন্ট রান আফটার মানি। দ্যাট ইজ মাই অ্যাডভাইস টু ইউ। ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট রান আফটার মানি, ইফ ইউ রান আফটার মেডিসিন, মানি উইল রান আফটার ইউ। এইটুকু বলে আমি শেষ করছি। আমরা ওপিডি আছে।
Thank you, ma'am. We would like to begin the convocation ceremony now. I would like to call upon Dr. Nidhi Agarwal. Please accept the certificate and the memento from our honorable principal, ma'am.
জয়িতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, সোমা বসা,
Dr. Moushumi Bhuiya. Dr. Devika Vishwas. Dr. Nandita Vishwas. Dr. Shyamshree Chapi. Dr. Shantanu Chakraborty. Dr. Mala Dev. Dr. Anisha Dev. Dr. Hoymunti Das. Hoymunti is not present amongst us today. Dr. Noina Dev. Dr. Devjani Ghosh. Dr. Sanjukta Ghosh. Dr. Sanjukta Ghosh. Dr. Shunanda Ghosh. Dr. Anushuva Ghosh. Dr. Deepa Hallar. Dr. Anushi Gupta. Dr. Deepa Hallar. I would now request our Vice Principal, sir, please guide the convocation ceremony. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Meeta Halder. Dr. Vandana Kumari. Dr. Navnita Mahata. Dr. Tulika Mitra. Dr. Payal Mondol. Dr. Rupa Mukherjee. Dr. Sudeshna Mukherjee. Dr. Shabana Munshi, Dr. Nafisa Parveen, Dr. Imon Pal, Dr. Doel Pradhan, Dr. Manjushri Roy, Dr. Monami Roy, Dr. Mohushi Roy, Dr. Polomi Roy, Dr. Smita Roy Chaudhary, Dr. Shubhita Chahana, Dr. Swarnalika Samandar, Dr. Sanjana Samanto, Dr. Sunil Sandhu, Dr. Shabana Munshi, Dr. Suchitra Singh, Dr. Imon Sinha, Dr. Priyanka Sinha, Dr. Tabassum Ara,
ডক্টর আয়ুষ্মতী ঠাকুর, ডক্টর শুভজিৎ ভট্টাচার্য, ডক্টর তপেশ ভট্টাচার্য, ডক্টর অভিষেক ভট্টাচার্য, ডক্টর অরূপ বিশ্বাস, ডক্টর দেবাশিস বিশ্বাস, ডক্টর সর্বজিৎ বিশ্বাস, ডক্টর গহন ঘোষ, ডক্টর বিপ্লব চ্যাটার্জি, ডক্টর সৌরভ চ্যাটার্জি, ডক্টর সন্টু কুমার ছেত্রী, ডক্টর অভিজিৎ দাস, ডক্টর সত্যজিৎ দাস, ডক্টর কৌস্তব দাস বিশ্বাস, ডক্টর জয়দীপ দাস, ডক্টর রতন দাস, ডক্টর সুরজিৎ দাস, ডক্টর শিবানী দাশগুপ্ত, ডক্টর কৌশিক চক্রবর্তী, ডক্টর তহিন শুভ্র মণ্ডল,
ডক্টর অঙ্কুর মুখার্জি, ডক্টর রাজমোহন ঘোষ, ডক্টর শুভেন্দু ঘোষ, ডক্টর শুভেন্দু ঘোষ, ডক্টর জয়নাথ ঘোষ, ডক্টর অমিত কুমার গুপ্তা, ডক্টর সঞ্জয় হালদার, ডক্টর সমীর হাজরা, ডক্টর নিশান্ত কুমার, ডক্টর সমীর হাজরা, जलालुद्दीन रूमी, निशांत कुमार, डॉक्टर निशांत कुमार, मोहम्मद जलालुद्दीन रूमी, मोहम्मद शाम्स कुमार, मीर रशीद अली, मोहम्मद शाम्स कुमार, सौरभ मुखर्जी, डॉक्टर मीर रशीद अली, डॉक्टर सौरभ मुखर्जी, डॉक्टर अभिन मुखर्जी, डॉक्टर शुभाशीष मुखर्जी, डॉक्टर जयंत पाल, डॉक्टर शिशिर कुमार पात्र, डॉक्टर जयंत पाल, डॉक्टर शिशिर कुमार पात्र, डॉक्टर राघवेंद्र प्रसाद, रंजीत राणा, डॉक्टर राघवेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर रंजीत राणा, डॉक्टर अमित कुमार रंजन, डॉक्टर राघवेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर रंजीत राणा, डॉक्टर अमित कुमार रंजन, डॉक्टर बुद्धदेव रॉय, डॉक्टर अमित कुमार रंजन, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु विशाल, डॉक्टर बुद्धदेव रॉय, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु विशाल, डॉक्टर तन्मय सात्रा, डॉक्टर सिद्धार्थ साहा, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु विशाल, डॉक्टर तन्मय सात्रा, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु विशाल, डॉक्टर तन्मय सात्रा, डॉक्टर सिद्धार्थ साहा, डॉक्टर शिवेश चंद्र सहाय, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु विशाल, डॉक्टर शिवेश सहाय, डॉक्टर पार्थो सरदार, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु साहाना, डॉक्टर नजीबुल्लाह इमाम, डॉक्टर शैवाल सेनगुप्त, डॉक्टर शैवाल सेनगुप्त, डॉक्टर वैभव कुमार श्रीवास्तव, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु साहाना, डॉक्टर दीनबंधु साहाना, डॉक्टर अभिषेक कुमार सिंह, डॉक्टर आलोक कुमार सिन्हा बाबू, Dr. Naveen Kumar Surana, Dr. Naveen Kumar Surana, Dr. Manish Tripathi, Dr. Arvind Kumar Verma, Dr. Manish Tripathi, Dr. Madhusudan Balani, Dr. Arvind Kumar Verma, Dr. Biplab Kumar Vishwas, Dr. Madhusudan Balani, Dr. Ghulam Mohammad Moinuddin, Dr. Biplab Kumar Vishwas, Dr. Shubham Majumdar, Dr. Ghulam Mohammad Moinuddin, Dr. Rajkumar Das, Dr. Shubham Majumdar, Dr. Ashish Kumar Pal, Dr. Gopal Ghosh, Dr. Rajkumar Das, Dr. Gopal Ghosh, Dr. Ashish Kumar Pal, Dr. Saurabh Chatterjee, Dr. Rajat Gandhi Das, Dr. Saurabh Chatterjee, Dr. Rajat Gandhi Das, Dr. Rajat Gandhi Das, Dr. I.V. Roy, Dr. Dipanita Pandit, Dr. Rama Manna,
Dr. Madhumita Shom, Dr. I.V. Roy,
Thank you very much, sir. That brings us to the end of the convocation ceremony. I request everyone to contact Dr. Saumitra Mukherjee. Your signatures are required for the publication of our magazine.